Hey guys, so welcome back. I know my hair is all wrapped up, but it's for a good reason. I have been wanting to try headband wigs, or just wigs in general, for a very long time. So I actually purchased 3 wigs, not one, but 3 wigs from this company called Cute Headband Wigs. I was seeing them on Facebook advertising. I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna do it. Let me do it. I keep seeing them every single day. So I decided, you know what, let me get three different ones. So I purchased their Kinky Straight, which is this one right here. It's fresh out of the box, so it does look a little crazy. So I have the Kinky Straight, I have a Body Wave, and I have a Kinky Curly. I think this is my favorite. It's the most realistic, and it really looks good on me, I feel. And to be honest, it matches my natural hair so well because of the texture. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but I will zoom in so you guys can see. It really feels and looks like my blown out hair. I said to myself that this year I really want to play with protective styling. I want to do like a hair growth challenge, and I want to play with my hair a little bit more. So I did exactly what I said I was going to do, and I got myself some wigs. With your wig, it comes in, of course, packaging. Came with 2 headbands. So we have a pink floral one here and a burgundy floral one, and they're free headbands. And then of course it also comes with a wig cap. So that is what comes with your wig. As for shipping, it took about, I want to say about 2 weeks to come, which is quite good because some other companies it takes like a month, I've heard, or longer. So I was pretty surprised that it took about 2 weeks. Looking at the wig, I can see that it has 3 combs. So 3 at the top, and then of course there is 1 at the bottom, and then on the inside there's a little bit of lace, and of course it comes with its own headband with Velcro. So that's what that looks like. And I got this in 18 inches Kinky Straight. I believe it's 180 density, and I believe I got it in the color 1B. I haven't had a wig, or I haven't worn a wig since transitioning to natural, so yeah, it's kind of all new to me all over again. Let me show you guys what's going on underneath here. So I just had a satin scarf laying down my edges. I did slick them down a little bit, my hairline and the front portion of my head. So what I did, I just kept it really simple. I did medium-sized twists, single twist, just, you know, loose twist, and I just pulled them back into a ponytail using a silk scrunchie. Cornrowing my hair is just a task, so I said, you know what, let me take the easy route and just do some twists, pull them back nice and flat, and that's it. So that's what I did. So now I'm gonna go ahead with my cap, my wig cap, and put this on. So this is just to help get your hair to lay flat. I know mine is kind of light, but honestly, you're not going to see it. This wig is so thick, you're not even going to see the color. So, and I'm probably going to push it back more because I want some of my hair to show. So now that that is on, you can also, you know, play with your edges, do the little swoop, the baby hairs, all that. It's completely up to you. Or if you don't want to, you don't have to.
So putting on the wig is really simple. I just put it on from the back, and then I pull it to the front, and I just clip it in. Then I take the headband and I Velcro it to the back of my head. And that's it. So you can definitely do your baby hairs, your edges, whatever you want. You can keep them covered or show them.
All right, you guys, so this is me with the headband on. I think it looks good. I think the hair looks really, really good. So let's brush it, see if we get any shedded hair, and kind of just detangle it a little bit. Honestly, it doesn't even need to be brushed. This hair is really, really nice. So this is it up close. You guys can see the texture. And I think it matches my hair pretty well. So yeah, this is what the hair looks like pulled to the front. I'm actually really, really impressed, and I can't wait for summer to come and, you know, whatever's going on right now to be done so I can actually wear it out. This is the Kinky Straight. I'm 5'6", so it hits me about waist length, to be honest. So it hits me about waist length. It has a bit of a tapered cut. You can always put it on your head and give it a nice little trim or a cut, do whatever you want. Flatten it, curl it. I definitely want to play with this wig a little bit more. It's crazy how real this looks and feels. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you aren't subscribed already. Turn on your notifications so that way you guys don't miss out on my next wig video. I'm definitely going to try on the body wave next. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.